Here's mine.
Oh. Here's mine, and here's mine.
Yep. How do you like mine? The Super Ultra Concealer with the power of R2Q2. Eepa!
What? Hey, look at this. I want to see it. I'll give you a closer look. Uh-oh. My car broke. I gotta fix it. You take over.
What am I supposed to do?
I'm back in. Hey, I thought we were supposed to annoy someone today.
Yeah. Hey! Huh? What are you doing sticking these cars right in front of my driveway? I've been living here for 60 years! 60 is too long!
60 is way too long for an old guy like you.
Old? I'm old? Do I look old? Yeah, you look all wrinkly. That's it. You're going to really stubby. My thing is so threatening. It's so terrifying. And just like Liam, show. Well, while he does that, we'll just talk. So, what are we supposed to talk about?
Yeah.
Let's talk about something, I don't know.
Who knows?
Yeah. We need to talk about something cool.
Yeah. Cool. Awesome.
So what should we talk about?
I have no idea.
Have we talked about that time? Sorry about coughing in your face.
It's okay.
What about that time you ate that 50-pound large pizza?
Oh yeah.
Dude, you were puking out pepperoni for like 5 weeks.
That was not hilarious, but yeah.
Yeah.
Pepperoni, bleh. Pepperoni, bleh.
Yeah. So, what else?
I don't know. What about the time that you ate this whole mountain of chocolate?
Oh, yeah.
Me too. It was so tasty, wasn't it?
Yeah. Didn't we just puke out like a bunch of chocolate and everybody used it to make make chocolate strawberries?
Yeah, that was kind of gross.
Yeah, but they said it was good, so it kind of helped them.
Yeah.
We
helped the village.
Hooray!
Wait a minute. Why do you have an R2-D2 head on your
I bought it out of a thingy.
What thingy?
A comic book.
Oh. Wait, Star Wars?
Whoa!
I think it's time for our cars.
I'm so scared.
Get in your car!
I think I pulled my pants.
You don't wear any pants.
I blew the ground. No car.
Knock it off! Missiles!